Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Biology at Phycomycetes. Have you ever noticed how bread suddenly gets covered with a cotton-like growth, or how mushrooms appear overnight during the rainy season? Well, that's the fascinating world of fungi. In today's class, we will explore Kingdom Fungi, complete characteristics, their types of reproductions, classifications, lichens, and mycorrhiza. So let's dive deep into the amazing kingdom. What are fungi? Fungi show tremendous diversity in morphology and habitat. They grow rapidly, so rapidly that the word fungus comes from a Latin term to flourish. So the study of fungi is called mycology, and the father of mycology is Pier Antonio Micheli. Today, scientists have discovered over 9 lakh species of fungi. Characteristic features of fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic and heterotrophic. They are non-photosynthetic. They have no chlorophyll. They are absorptive in nutrition. They are spore-producing organisms. They are cosmopolitan in distribution. They prefer warm and humid environments, and they are commonly found in humus-rich soil, bread, pickles, fruits, leather, and wood. Their modes of life: they are saprophytic, they are parasitic, they are and symbiotic. They are either lichens or mycorrhiza. Structure of fungi: fungi body is called thallus. They can be unicellular like yeast or multicellular. The multicellular body is called as mycelium, and mycelium is made up of hyphae. The type of hyphae, it could be septate or aseptate. Aseptate hyphae are multinucleated or sinusotic. Their cell wall is made up of chitin. They have stored food material, which is either glycogen or oils. This is the fungal structure. This is the sporangia and the spores. This is stolon hyphae. This is the structure of fungi. Reproduction in fungi: vegetative reproduction. There are basically three types of vegetative reproduction: fission, budding, and fragmentation. Asexual reproduction occurs via spores like sporangiospores, conidia, oidea, chlamydospores, sclerotia, etc. Types of sporangiospores are zoospores, which are motile, and aplanospores are non-motile. Sexual reproduction of fungi, basically three types: isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. Steps of fertilization: plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. This is homothallism versus heterothallism. Homothallic fungi, they are self-fertile. Example, albugo. Heterothallic fungi require compatible partner. Example, rhizopus, mucor, etc. This is the image showing the classification of fungi on the basis of the spore production: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteromycetes. Phycomycetes are another. There are two types: Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. This is the image showing different types of fungi. Classification of fungi: Phycomycetes are algal fungi. They are aquatic. They show aseptate mycelium. Reproduction occurs through zoospores. Example, rhizopus, mucor, etc. Oomycetes cause plant diseases. Example, lead blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans. Zygomycetes are bread mold fungi. Examples, rhizopus. Ascomycetes are sac fungi, where asexual reproduction performed by conidia, and sexual reproduction where there is ascus with 8 ascospores. Example, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Penicillium, Aspergillus, etc. Basidiomycetes produce Basidiospores. They have club-shaped basidium. Examples, Agaricus bisporus, Puccinia, etc. Special forms: mushroom, puffballs, bracket fungi. Most poisonous mushroom is Amanita muscaria. Deuteromycetes, also known as fungi imperfecti, only asexual reproduction is shown by them. Example, ringworm caused by trichophyton. Economic importance of fungi: useful food producing fungi, they are mushrooms. Antibiotics are produced by penicillin. Industry: fungi fermentation, they help in fermentation. Harmful fungi: they involve food spoilage, plant diseases, and human infections. Lichens: the term lichen was firstly given by Theophrastus, the father of botany. Lichen is a symbiotic association between fungus, which is known as mycobiont, and algae, that is photobiont or phycobiont. Algae prepares food, and fungus gives protection and water absorption. So importance of lichens are they are pollution indicators. They have medicinal uses. They produce perfumes and dyes. Mycorrhiza: this is the symbiotic association between fungi and plant roots. There are two types of mycorrhiza, ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. Endomycorrhiza is also known as vascular arbuscular mycorrhiza or VAM. The functions, they increases nutrient absorption, enhances water uptake, helps plant growth, provides resistance in harsh conditions. So conclusion, so fungi are not just simple organisms, they play a crucial role in ecology, agriculture, medicine and industry. Understanding fungi gives us a strong foundation for class 11 biology and NEET preparation. Fungi are incredibly diverse organisms that play vital roles in nature, from decomposition to symbiotic relationship like lichens and mycorrhiza. Understanding them is essential for mastering key concepts in class 11 biology and NEET. If you found this lecture helpful, uh, please like, subscribe to Biology at Phyojit and share with your friends. See you in the next class. Thank you.